are honored to have Brandon representing our mayor of Oakland. Therefore, he's going to read the proclamation.
መጀመሪያ እንኳን ሓጎሰና ቀጽልና ቅድሚ ኣብ መደባትና ምእታው ዝክረ ሰማዕታት ክንገብር ኢና ኩላሕና ንዳሎ ጾበ ጉልባብ ዘለና ንእለ ተጠንቀቕ ዘትበል ዝክረ ሰማዕታት سلام عرف هاجراو مزمر تا استاذ سمعت مزمر انا ቴፕስቲሪ
አሉ
If you want to, right. Hi everyone, how are you all doing today? Oh, we can be louder than that. How are you all doing today? That's so great. I'm doing great too. Thank you. Yeah, that's what I love to hear. This is an amazing day. I'm so honored to be here with you all as we celebrate Independence Day, and we celebrate the diversity and strength of our Christian community here in Oakland. My name is Brandon Harami. I am the Director of Community Resilience for Oakland Mayor Sheng Tao, who sends her love and excitement and celebration with you. She is celebrating her son's graduation today, her only son. So, you know, she's a little sidetracked, but we'll make sure that she comes out next year and we celebrate again together. We'll make sure next year's even bigger, and we'll make sure next year we get a little bit more time in City Hall together, okay? It's great. So today we are celebrating independence. We are celebrating culture. We are celebrating the right to self-determination and democracy, and we are celebrating the diversity and strength of our Christian community here in the city of Oakland and the greater Bay Area and the United States. Today we are going to be presenting this beautiful proclamation signed by Oakland Mayor Sheng Tao to you, the community, who makes Oakland such a beautiful and wonderful place to live. And if it's okay with you, I'd love to read off the story that's behind this, so you can understand exactly why we are celebrating this. I'm sure you probably understand it quite a bit more than me, but we want to share this moment together. So, in recognition of Eritrean Independence Day, whereas Eritrea became independent on May 24th, 1991, after the Eritrean people waged a brutal 30-year independence struggle and thereafter voted overwhelmingly, 99.8%, under a UN-monitored referendum on April 23rd to the 25th, 1993. So we love democracy. Whereas Eritrea is a country that lies on the west coast of the Red Sea in the Horn of Africa, inhabited by a diverse mosaic of 9 ethno-linguistic communities. Whereas Eritrea combated the COVID-19 pandemic without using vaccines by taking stringent measures since January 29, 2020, resulting in confirmed total cases of less than 10,190 and deaths less than 105. That is community for you. By the end of 2015, Eritrea achieved all 3 health UN Millennial Development Goals, namely in reducing child mortality, improving maternal health, and combating HIV and AIDS, malaria, and other diseases. Whereas Eritrea has made notable progress on the UN Sustainable Development Goals, including nutrition, health, education, clean water, climate action, gender equality, with the National Union of Eritrean Women fighting for women's rights since 1979. Whereas, I love this, I'm a bike rider, whereas Eritrean bike riders are registering exceptionally high performances across the world and Africa, in addition to the outstanding victories of the Eritrean youth who are achieving in athletics and swimming. And whereas the state of California has been home to a large Eritrean American community since the 1970s, most of whom live in and around Oakland and the greater Bay Area, because Oakland is what's up. Whereas Eritrean Americans in our beloved city of Oakland add a rich cultural and linguistic legacy to our neighborhoods through their traditions, businesses, and community gatherings. Now, therefore, be it resolved, I, Sheng Tao, Mayor of the City of Oakland, California, do hereby extend special recognition to the Eritrean community in Oakland on this momentous occasion of the 33rd Eritrean Independence Day, and signed and sealed by the Mayor of the City of Oakland.
Recording it.
Great, thank you. Thank you all so much for having us, and it's such an honor to present this to you. Thank you. I don't know. Yeah, I can glass.
عدن مثل الليلة أتحادن طويلة كيف نجزاي شيشة إسكلي تعنزبن طويلة كيف نجزاي شيشة إسكلي تعنزبن ناتنا عقب سماي كيركيو سكال كرهان قصير كن وترقال هاجراوي تابوت عطاي بعال الشامبان يتفق يقرس البستي عامت ناصنت نايلدت معلتي السمايات يرمق برشي مبراقي زغر معاقي أبلبي حولتي نغيوبا عم بابا نسمسا نساي تحبوسا دكيري نساي تحبوسو هاي تنسلسو عدن مسيح الليلة أدحابن طويلة نغزاي شيشة حسك اللي تعمزبن طويلة نغزاي شيشة حسك اللي تعمزبن ناتنا برهان رئي مسل كل أدام تدبي سبق صانت سلام نعابي زي وداء موائل عامت عامت بديك تسنبل ميركو سيغي شلطن كمعبل برهان من قبليك حاسب تستقبل نحيوبا عمبابا نسنسا نسايك حبوسا دقيق الرئي نسايك حبوسو هاي تنسنسو عامت دقيق تسنبل الشامباني كفك قرص حبستي السمايات تدمق برشي مبراتي نحيوبا عمبابا نسنسا نساي تحبوسا دقيق الرئي نساي تحبوسو تنسبسو ناي وش تلبي عبسي ككاتل